Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, what up fam? If this is your first time here, why don't you join the family and subscribe right now? Thank you. Anyways, I'm here to show you how to transform your brows from looking like this to looking like this. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested to see how I got my hair to look like this, there's a video of that in my channel, but I'm just going to drop the link by the right side of the screen so you can check it out after this video. So moving on. Guys, this video is super easy and detailed. The pencil that I used for this tutorial, I think goes for 150 naira if you're in Nigeria, and that's less than 50 cents. You can use whatever you have at your disposal together with a brow pencil, and it works, guys. Don't let anybody tell you any different. Okay, let's get to it. A couple of things that you're gonna need: a spoolie brush, and this is from NUBAN Beauty. A brow gel, and this is from HEGAI and ESTHER in the color Tooth. An angle brush to apply your brow gel. The regular Davis pencil, and the number 7 mattifying primer. I use this primer to control the shine that usually accumulates on the brow bone after makeup application, and I apply it generously on my brow just right before I start to draw. So now I am brushing my hairs in an upward position to keep it in place, and then I'm going right ahead to start to draw my brows, kind of tracing a line following the shape of my brows. And I usually do this with a pencil because I feel like it gives more precision and actually does save more time. Also, this lining process is super paramount because the cleaner and straighter your line is, the less work you would have to do when you're cleaning it out with your concealer or your foundation, depends on what product you plan to use. So now to the fun part, and that is just shading in your brows with the brow gel and your brush. This is literally, or rather this is honestly the easiest and laziest way I do my brows, because it doesn't really need that much attention or skill. I just get my brush, dip it into my brow gel and just shade away. The only thing is I'm not as heavy-handed when shading. I try to shade as light as possible because I'm trying to achieve a natural look with this video. So you just have to keep watching to the end to see how it pans out, because this is far from the result that we're trying to achieve. So just keep watching. So I use the foundation for this part of the process as opposed to using the famous concealer for cleaning out your brows, and that's because the foundation gives this deceptive feel like you did not clean your brows with nothing, and that's the look I was going for, and that's why I'm using a foundation for this process. So please go right ahead and use a concealer if you so wish. Do you, boo? Please do you. Moving on, I'm using a flat brush to even out the lines of my brows, thereby cleaning them out to look sharp. Guys, this process is pretty much easy. It might look like I'm struggling with it, but that's because I'm using my camera as a mirror to do this, guys. I'm actually using my viewfinder as a mirror to do this, so you can imagine how difficult that is for me. But yeah, the video is quite explanatory at this point, so I'm just going to let you guys watch and learn. Yeah, I'm back. I had to complete that off camera because I was tired of embarrassing myself. So now I'm going to be using a blending brush to just blend out the foundation. And the good thing about this is because it's a foundation, it literally blends out like a dream. It gives me no hassle in blending. I already did some part of blending off camera. I'm sorry about that, but yeah. So this is another step to the process, but guess what, guys? This step is super optional. Remember in the beginning of the video where I was telling you guys that the straighter and sharper your lines are, the less work you have to do. This is the part I'm talking about. If you feel like your lines were sharp enough or straight enough, then you can totally avoid this part, because I personally am not even a big fan of this part. Did you guys see what just happened there? This is what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about. Now it's going to make my brows look thinner than I originally wanted it to look like. But I'm probably going to fix it off camera. But you guys get the drill. Just like you did in the other part, use your blending brush and just blend it out. Can you guys see how easily blendable it is just because it's a foundation? Yeah. Do not forget to blend out the front of your brows, because that goes a long way in making your brows look natural. Blend it out. It's not gonna clean off. Take your blending brush and go right in there to take out any harsh lines to make that part look natural. So I'll be setting my brows using this brow tint from Beauty Line by Diddy. I really love the spoolie of the brush because it's thin enough to get through to my brows. I also love the color it gives. It gives off this hazel brownish tintish look, and I'm here for all of it. So yeah, setting and tinting my brows at the same time. This is an important step, guys. It's not optional. So there you have it. This is the almost finished look. I still have one more step to go before I wrap this whole thing up. And can you guess what step that is? Da 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 da. Yep, you guessed right. Yep, powder your brows, guys, and thank me later. Yep, it just doesn't only lighten your brows, it sets your brows, it prevents oil, and then it gives you that perfect finishing. Guys, did you see the difference in it? Did you see? Yes. So that's it, guys. Quick and easy way of getting your brows to look naturally bomb. Did you enjoy this video? Then you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share to your friends. And while at it, why don't you just click on the notification bell right there so that you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. Do you have questions for me? Do you enjoy this kind of content? Guys, let's discuss in the comment section. I mean, it takes a lot of energy and effort to record these videos and edit it. So, I mean, all a girl is asking for here is just some type of feedback, guys. Anyways, thank you so much to have watched up to this point, and I would hopefully see you in my next video. Okay? Did you like this video? Have you subscribed? Go back and do it right now. All right. See you guys. Bye.